What's going on, guys? Your boy Curry Mac with another video. Today we're going to be doing the gym. Usually I work out at Gold's, but I'm going to be working at my apartment complex. It's nothing crazy, nothing special, but just I'm going to be doing some bodybuilding stuff. It'll be nothing crazy. I'm not a professional bodybuilder or power lifter or anything. It's just a type of video. If you're the type of person that wants to get started, I might be able to help you out that way. But other than that, yeah, nothing crazy. Alright, so I got the camera. Let's get it. Now we're gonna be doing probably just some chest, basic chest and bicep workout. This is gonna be real quick. Alright, so on the way to Rudders, got the key card, and after Rudders we'll hit the gym real quick, do a quick sesh. The gym's literally like, I don't even know, like 100 feet away from where I live, so it's kind of convenient. You can go at any time. Pool place. Kids be hanging out and whatnot.
The best friend, cause I need a best friend. Play the block like Tetris. Yeah, I'm sorry to be selfish. Baby girl was worth it. Yeah, cause I need a best friend. Play the block like Tetris. Yeah, I'm sorry to be selfish.
Alright, here at the gym. Looks like it's about to rain. Ain't stopping me though. So let's get it. Yeah, sure. What time your phone?
Alright, so you guys saw me start off with 135. I just did it for an easy 10 to 15 reps to warm up. Then usually I would do that again for a second set, still get warmed up, do some stretches. Today was a little bit different because, as you can see, there was a lot of people in the gym, and it was 4th of July, and you know, we had some family events going on, so I bump up to 185, do it for 6 to 8 reps, depending on how I feel. It has been a while, but it felt pretty smooth. And then you see me go up to 225. I only did it for 2, and my shoulder felt a little weak, but in the future, you guys should be seeing a lot better videos. Probably going to Gold's or somewhere a lot better. I know there wasn't too much lifting going on, and maybe I'll do some more technical type of workouts in the future, and these videos will get better. I'm still learning, but everything's coming together, and hope you guys enjoy.
Oh shit.
Alright, so this kid right here, I literally just met that day, and they all seem like really good kids. I was talking to them about football and life and everything, so they were pretty cool. They had a great mindset. I think if they just keep working hard, they could be doing some good things.
Yeah, like if you do it like that.
Stabilizing the weight. And I like that you're doing dumbbells. You get stronger with dumbbells. Yeah, my shoulders all messed up.
So here you see me using this curl machine. This is a great workout. You can get a super crazy pump, and it's also good to superset with. I'm pretty sure most gyms have that, so you guys should check it out. And then here I'm just doing some basic curls, pretty much to failure. I think they were just 20s or 25s, but it was all about getting the pump in.
No, that's your real name. That's my rap name too. You gotta make a rap name. That you can't make. No one has to.
Yo, we got my boy about the rap. What's your name?
It's about it. It's about it.
You got a rapper name? You just got a name?
Leopard.
Neopar?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go. He's about to get it.
Alright.
Hey.
Hey, check. I said, okay. I said, minding my own, planning my days. I'm a young nigga that's numbing the pain. I still be the same and still feeling pain. I got a blow job without resume. Taking and taking, now niggas be hating. I don't give a fuck that the niggas be playing. And my flow so sick, cause niggas be hating. Let me tell you this, I'm the man, I put me. I'm so cold, shit hot as hell. Nigga, I don't really.
So you can like kind of do like that vlog. Like, hey, what's good?
That's so cool.
Right?
Tell that I'm lit, yeah, you know what he's saying. I'ma take a time by the time keep on playing.
Gotta turn around, you go wrong, yeah, I'm saying. Mine's on the cloud in the wrong, make a nigga take it down out of town, but you know they keep playing. Never probably get it. I'ma get myself to the better. I can read it all the time, that's the ripping out their feelings, now you know what she kept quitting. My flow sick, the homie really ill, take a note, please. Get it, sick of reading, now you calling me an oldie. Popping and getting, now you been acting like you know me. Hit you with the 40. Man, I got this feeling acting like I know it. Yeah, my life.
Yo, wanna hear me, that's okay, though. I be clean every time, every day, this thing, everything that we go, though. Out of dance till I make them good dance.
Hey. Hey.
Smooth with it.
Hey.
All right, Michael.
Hey. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo. Hey.
He's like that, bro. He's not big and shit.
It was good. You know it's fresh shit. I did his time.
Alright, so that was some homies from the apartments, and kind of turned into more of a little music scene than lifting, but some young talented kids. It was pretty good. There's Mama Curry making some burgers.
Yeah, you better not be putting this on anything.
Seasoning them up real good. What kind of seasoning we got? We got some pepper, automatic salt shaker thing. What she got? Oh, just some generic garlic. I got beat up old Subi. Look at that. Chef Curry. Chefing it up. Look at this girl. My sister, we're supposed to be checking her oil and she's parking it on a hill. Look at this. What is she doing? No. Chef Curry over here, smushing hot dogs and whatnot. Look at that guy. Poor hot dog. I guess that's going to the dog. How about it, Casey? She's all moody. We made fun of her for driving.
I'm not moody. It just doesn't listen.
It's a lovely 4th of July. All crappy out. People angry. This is America. Safety first, everybody. Going for a ride in the good old Nissan. Good old Nissan. People throwing 4th of July parties, shooting fireworks, putting lives at risk. So, we're off to go to Giant, go get a movie. My sister wants to watch a scary movie, like always. And I'm gonna go get ice cream or something.
Yeah.
Over here.
Do they still have those ice cream balls up there? I told Travis about them.
Look at this thing. It's looking right at you. This is a sickening aisle right here. Her and her Dippin' Dots. Got the little gelatos. Everybody should watching this video. You can try these Halo Tops. Only 280 calories for a whole pint. So if you're into a diet or can't control yourself with ice cream, try these. They're delicious. And then if you don't care about a diet and you just want some good ice cream, go ahead and get your Ben and Jerry's. You got half baked. It's probably one of my favorites. You got the brownie batter's alright. That one's good. You got chocolate chip cookie dough. It's my mom's favorite. Tonight dough is good, but I think that one's pretty sugary.
What are you getting?
I don't know. Get whatever you want.
Tastes more doughy.
More doughy.
Yeah.
What about the cookies and cream?
I didn't try that one yet.
Didn't
but
try it?
I want to. It's like marshmallowy, but it's like.
Is it like soft? You like bite into it? It's kind of soft.
Yeah, there's ice cream in the middle.
Yeah.
But the salted caramel, you can taste more of the dough. But with this one, it's just like kind of like a marshmallow thing.
Like a marshmallow.
Yeah.
That's cool. She's about to try it out. I saw him. We were here like 2 weeks ago, and I saw him, and I'm like, what the heck are these things?
I know.
They're famous. Where'd you get?
Oh, I just got the chocolate ones and the cookies and cream.
Chocolate and cookies and cream. I'll have to try it out.
They probably
And the strawberry.
Go ahead, get it.
See, they don't have the lemon in there tonight. They have mango this time.
Do you pay? You buy by like the piece or by weight?
One for $1.50,
Yeah.
5 for $6, and 10 for $10.
What? You guys overpricing people. No, I'm just kidding. We'll have to try it out. I want to get one. Give me
I think I'd probably try one before.
give me this chocolate sundae one.
That one's pretty good.
Yeah, she said it's good. I'll take her word on it. All right, guys. My camera's about to die, and we had a decent day. Nothing crazy. Usually we're the type of family to light off fireworks, but my dad's not around right now, so he's usually in charge of that type of stuff. I know this was supposed to be more of like a workout video, but kind of got caught up with the kids at the gym and dealing with my sister and everything else, but I think it was still a good day. I'm gonna start getting into some pranks, and this channel is just going to be based off different things. Here and there I'm going to have workout videos, pranks, like maybe some vlogs. I'm going to be going to New Orleans in September, so I'll be vlogging that week. So I'm going to get it started, and then once I see what you guys like and what all I should be doing, but I definitely have some really good plans, and I hope you guys enjoy. Remember, Curry Mac,